Oh boy, it's accurate. I can't believe it's here. It's here. I'm all wet. I'm all wet. I'm all wet. I'm all wetty and wet. The thunderstorm is where I am now. God. It's heading this way. I want some chips. My leg is getting all itchy. Thanks to the water rain. It's raining badly. It's supposed to say it's gonna rain all week. And I can't go outside because my phone will get all wet. And I don't want that to happen. Nope, sardine noodles. How bad is it there? Look how bad that is. I'm gonna wash my feet, but after this. It's here. I was thinking of using something to make my phone to go in waterproof, but that won't work. It said it supposed to thunderstorm all week. Just saw lightning. Come on. Lightning is crazy sometimes. I guess I'll end the video here. I can't deal with this stuff. See y'all soon.